Double tap. Whoa! Vamos! Swinging into action! Look at us go! Big red chicken! Nice to see you again, big guy! Thanks, Boots! Swing me higher and higher by swiping back and forth like a swing! Nita! Hang on! Whee! All right! All right! Look at us go! Follow that fox! Whoa! Look at us go! Nos patines! Rockin' roller skates charm! All right! Vamos! All right! Thanks, Boots! Swing me higher and higher by... All right! Jump over things by tapping the screen. Whoa! It's the grumpy old troll. Look at us go! Whoa! Una tortuga, the turtle charm. Vamos! All right! Thanks, Boots. Swing me higher and higher by... Nita! Fantastico! We caught up to Swiper! Swiper, why were you running away?
I swiped backpack and map. I did it! I did it!
It's good you told us, Swiper. Now, where did you hide them?
That's just it. Before I could hide them, a big wind came and it blew backpack and map into the air.
Swiper, you can't just run away. We've got to find Backpack and Map, right?
Come on, let's go find them.
Fantastico! We made it through the rainforest trees. Run through them again to find even more charms. Look at the charms and the backpack items we collected. Play here again to get even more charms. Or go back to Map app to pick another place to explore.